Update lang mga tol, no? Panalo ang Gilas kontra Indonesia sa kanilang semifinals bout. Grabe, no? Yung first quarter natin, malamya na naman, pero nung second, third, and fourth, grabe yung ginawa natin. Nakahabol lang ang Indonesia nung fourth quarter. May mga questionable calls din ng mga referee. Ang importante, panalo tayo. So, yon, finals na tayo bukas, malamang. Thailand yan, pero hindi natin alam, bilog ang bola. Ewan natin kung ma-upset sila ng Malaysia, di ba? So, yun, panoorin natin yung itong mga dying seconds ng laro.
We need at least a three-point advantage.
Yeah, there it is.
May timeout pa yata sila eh, and they're going to use it.
(71-68), 7.3 remaining.
Well, we still gave them life. If we had put in two, wala nang buhay yun. Mahirap mag-foul dito kasi bigla kang tawagan na unsportsmanlike foul o ano eh.
Oo eh.
Yeah. You know, you want to foul before the act of shooting pero baka bigla kang tawagan na unsportsmanlike foul, disgrasya ka pa nun.
What a game. First half, Indonesia was in control. Philippines roaring back in the third and most of the fourth until the last 4 minutes of play.
Yeah, a series of bad decision-making, turnovers, and some questionable calls.
And then Indonesia began to hit again.
Well, siyempre, bubuhayan ka ng loob. Dahil you keep on going to the free throw line. Maaga ang penalty ng Pilipinas eh. So, punta ka ng punta sa free throw line. This is what you call, you can see that itong end game na ito, you know, this is the second time around on defense inalis ni Norman si Aram. Because Aram has a tendency to show and sometimes foul eh. And you don't want to do that eh. Here you just want to be able to follow your man and challenge properly. Now, if you give them a layup underneath the basket and they use some clock, you give that to them. That's only 2 points. You're up by 3 eh. The thing you don't want to do is give up a 2 and 1 or a 3-point shot.
And they will most likely foul when you get the ball back.
Yeah, it's okay, di ba? Advantage ka dun eh.
Yeah. Inbound. Indonesia. Yaksa. Will they go for a three? They're trying to set that up. The pass. The setup. The shot. No.
Tinawagan ng foul?
No.
Oh, no.
I think we are out of time.
Yeah. Eh, kumamay na yung ano. Kala ko tumawag pa ng foul.
I think we are out of time in the Philippines.
That was good defense. They just switched everything. No? And look at the Filipino crowd, so happy. Bolit getting a lot of love from the Filipino
It's a
fans.
tough win, Dr. J.
Yeah, tough.